Ali and Fatima stood in the backyard, staring at the overgrown weeds. Their mother pushed the door shut with a firm warning. Clean every corner and no mischief. Suddenly, a sharp voice pierced the air. Assalamu Alaikum. Ali froze, scanning the fence. Beneath the oak tree, hidden in a rusty cage, a bright green parrot bobbed its head. Alaikum Assalam, Fatima laughed. My name is Mithu and I know a big secret. Ali's heart hammered. What secret? Mithu squawked. Ali hides biscuits under his pillow. Fatima roared with laughter. Ha 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 ha. Fatima once blamed the cat for spilling the milk. Her smile vanished instantly. You naughty bird, she hissed. Just then the back door creaked. Their mother stood there, arms crossed. Kids, who spilled the milk last week? The cat, they shouted in unison. Mithu mocked them with a loud laugh. Their mother smiled knowingly, so the truth comes out. After a quiet apology, she patted their shoulders. Mithu flapped his wings, squeaking, "Truth is best." From that day on, they kept no secrets. Thanks for watching.